I just finished up both lower control arms. So the way I built these control arms was basically with a thick wall piece of pipe, 1/2-inch heim joints, and then I used these standard ball joint screw-in, thread-in ball joint rings from Speedway Motors. I still have to put a cross brace here and a mounting location over here for the coilovers. But now I want to start on these upper control arms. I've already mocked in the locations for where I think the frame mounts are going to be. I bought the recommended tie rod end that people use for an upper ball joint, and I made these threaded sleeves. To make these sleeves, I turned down a 1-inch diameter cold rolled piece of rod, and I turned it down to 0.840, and then I drilled and tapped it for a M16 by 1.5 thread. This will be a right hand thread. This heim joint will be a left hand thread, so that'll give me an easy way to, you turn that radius rod and it will change that dimension. It'll be the same thing. There'll be a mount lug here, and you use a heim joint here, and it also will be left and right, so you can adjust the length, and through that is how you'll set the alignment.